Most people don't think about where their sewer goes to, but on our property, we have our own septic system. And a septic system is comprised of a leach field, which allows the liquids to soak into the earth. And the leach field is connected to a big septic tank. And that septic tank is dug into the ground. Here it is right here. And it's tied together with a spider web of pipes. And then the septic tank is surrounded by sand and then covered in dirt again. You just have the manhole sticking out. And then a trench is dug from the septic tank over to the house, and it will be tied into the plumbing of the house. And here is a scene from the bottom of our property looking up. You can see the neighbors' houses coming along very quickly.